Saving money doesn't have to be overwhelming or require extreme sacrifices. The truth is, with the right strategies, you can start keeping more money in your pocket today without feeling deprived. Whether you're building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or just looking for ways to cut unnecessary expenses, this video will walk you through 10 genius money-saving hacks that will help you save fast and effortlessly. Stay tuned because some of these tips will surprise you, and at the end, we'll share a bonus strategy that can supercharge your savings even more. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, automate your savings. One of the simplest and most effective ways to save money is to automate the process. By setting up an automatic transfer to your savings account as soon as you get paid, you ensure that a portion of your income is saved before you even have a chance to spend it. 1. Set up an auto transfer for at least 10 to 20% of your paycheck. 2. Use a high-yield savings account to grow your money faster. 3. Consider apps like Digit or Capital, which round up your spare change and save it automatically. When saving becomes effortless, you'll be surprised at how much you accumulate over time. Hack number 2, the 24-hour rule for purchases. Impulse buying is one of the biggest reasons people struggle to save money. That's why the 24-hour rule is so powerful. It forces you to pause before making unnecessary purchases. Before buying anything non-essential, wait at least 24 hours. Ask yourself, do I really need this? Will I regret this purchase later? If it's a big-ticket item, extend the rule to 30 days. Most of the time, you'll realize you don't actually need the item, and the urge to buy will fade, saving you hundreds, if not thousands, per year. Hack number 3, use cashback and reward apps. If you're spending money anyway, why not get something back? Cashback and reward programs are easy ways to save on everyday purchases. Use apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, or Honey to earn cashback on online purchases. Check if your credit card offers cashback rewards on groceries, gas, or dining. Sign up for store loyalty programs. Many offer discounts and rewards just for shopping. Even a small percentage of cashback can add up significantly over time. Hack number 4, cut out unused subscriptions. Subscription services can quietly drain your bank account. Most people sign up for free trials and forget to cancel, or they pay for services they rarely use. Audit your subscriptions. Streaming platforms, gym memberships, cloud storage, apps, etc. If you haven't used a service in the last month, cancel it. Consider sharing subscriptions with family or friends to split costs. Eliminating just 2 or 3 unused subscriptions could save you $50 to $100 per month. Hack number 5, cook at home. More often, dining out and ordering takeout can quickly eat away at your budget. Cooking at home is one of the fastest ways to save money while also eating healthier. Plan your meals for the week and stick to a grocery list. Use budget-friendly meal prep techniques, batch cooking, and freezing meals. Try a restaurant replacement night where you cook your favorite takeout dish at home. On average, home-cooked meals cost 50% to 75% less than restaurant meals. Imagine the savings over time. Hack number 6, use the envelope system for budgeting. If you struggle with overspending, the cash envelope system is a game changer. It helps you control your spending by allocating specific amounts of cash for different categories. Label envelopes with categories like groceries, entertainment, dining, and shopping. Withdraw cash and place the exact budgeted amount into each envelope. When the money is gone, you stop spending in that category until the next month. This method eliminates the temptation to overspend and keeps your budget on track. Hack number 7, buy generic instead of name brands. Many store brand products are just as good as their name brand counterparts, but cost 30 to 50% less. Compare ingredients. In many cases, they're identical. Try switching to generics for items like medications, pantry staples, and cleaning products. Even small switches can add up to hundreds of dollars in annual savings. Why pay extra for a brand name when you can get the same quality for less? Hack number 8, negotiate bills and interest rates. Many companies are willing to lower your bills if you ask. A simple phone call could save you hundreds of dollars a year. Call your internet, phone, and insurance providers and ask for discounts. Negotiate a lower interest rate on credit cards. Mention competitor offers. If they refuse, threaten to switch providers, this often triggers a better deal. Most people don't realize they have the power to negotiate. Use it to your advantage. Hack number 9. Sell items you no longer need. Decluttering can be profitable. Selling unused items is a quick way to make extra cash while creating more space at home. Sell clothes, electronics, and furniture on platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, or Poshmark. Have a garage sale for a quick way to offload multiple items at once. Turn this into a habit. If you haven't used something in 6 months, consider selling it. This is an easy one-time way to boost your savings. Hack number 10. Adopt a no-spend weekend challenge. Challenge yourself to go an entire weekend without spending any money. It's a great way to reset your spending habits. Plan free activities like hiking, picnics, board games, or DIY projects. Get creative with home-cooked meals using what you already have. Turn it into a fun family challenge. Who can save the most? This simple habit can help you save hundreds per month while learning to enjoy life without spending. Bonus hack, the $5 savings challenge. Every time you receive a $5 bill, put it aside in an envelope or jar. Over time, this adds up without feeling like a sacrifice. Some people have saved over $1,000 in a year just by following this trick. By applying even a few of these money-saving hacks, you can start seeing results quickly. The key is consistency. Small changes lead to big savings over time. Which of these hacks are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart money tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.